Hello, Professor. So in this video, I will be talking about a few things here. First thing I want to talk about is just my SAFMIDs. Um, so for SAFMIDs, I do note that there's a general upward trend, although within the first week of being exposed to newer cards, I don't generally hit the ink count, which is 14 cards within 30 seconds. But by the second week, I do hit enough. For example, week one of deck three, I think I capped at about 8 cards or something like that. But on the second week, I jumped all the way up to 17 cards, which was the max. So that's a really huge improvement. Outside of Saphmeds, um, there was reading material, and I would find myself just reading like after 7 p.m. or so, and usually I don't spend that much time reading because my mind just shuts off after a certain amount of time. But I guess that's probably really normal because ABA therapy can be quite draining. Um, for reading, I would make sure that I highlight stuff or write down concepts that I don't really understand. I would then proceed by reaching out to peers, Google things, and reach out to supervisors at work and see if they can provide insight on certain concepts. Um, and then as far as objectives, I remember that in week one, I wrote something about wanting to improve my score on like the midterm after the pre-assessment, and it seems that I did meet my objective because I did really well. I got like a 90% or so. Um, I don't think there was any other goal, but if there was, I would say that I would probably talk about just meeting more people and connecting with them throughout the quarter. And if that was the goal, I would say I was able to beat that as well because I met about at least 5 people throughout the quarter, 9%, but I was able to exchange contacts and just connect with them, like see what they do and what's the difference between what they do and what I do. Surprisingly, a lot of the people did similar work, but there was a few people that did something different. They took different roles in the ABA field. So yeah, that was kind of interesting to see. But other than that, I don't really have anything else to talk about. So thank you so much for watching, Professor. Have a great day.